Try not to push her any higher. I don't want her to fall out because she's leaning forward. What you doing, Dad?
Swinging our babies. They like swinging. I think they like it.
Maybe just a little. David, what are you doing? They'll come by? Okay.
Yeah, a little big for you to get up. That was awesome. As soon as he found out she was in a swing,
It was over.
it was on.